Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to discuss about the cell division. Children, you know that the new cells are formed in an organism to grow, to replace old one and dead or injured cells. So, children, what happens to form the gametes required for the reproduction? Children, simply the process by which new cells are made is called the cell division. Okay, and you know that Rudolf Virchow given the extend the cell theory and said that the new cells are formed from the pre-existing cells. We know this. So children, mainly the cell division is required for the growth and the reproduction of all the organism. So that depending on the division and the enlargement of the cell. So children, what happens? There are mainly two types of cell division. First is mitosis. So children, what do you mean by mitosis? Yes, mitosis is the process of cell division by which most of the cells divide for the growth, so that it is called the mitosis. Children, in this process, each cell called the mother cell, and which mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells, so that the daughter cells have same number of chromosome as in mother. So children, mainly it is help in the growth and repair of tissues of any organism. So mainly we are calling it the somatic cells, and it is also called the equational division because the number of the chromosomes same in mother cell, in daughter cell. Daughter cell का मीनिंग है प्रोजेनी. पेरेंट एंड प्रोजेनी में क्रोमोसोम्स के नंबर्स इक्वल हैं. देर आर दी numbers of chromosomes are equal, so it is called the equational division, and it is mostly seen in the diploid cells. Diploid means जिसमें chromosomes के number double होते हैं, 2n type. Yes children, so mainly it form two daughter cells. Mainly there are four type of karyokinesis. Karyo means division of nucleus. Okay, so there are mainly four type of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, for your knowledge, you should know that there are four stages. Second type of division is meiosis. So children, what happen? Specifically, the specific cell of the reproductive organs or the tissues in any animals, or we can say in plants, they are divided to form the gametes. So children, which after fertilization give rise to offspring. So what happens? They divide by the different processes, and this process of gamete formation is called the meiosis. Children, meiosis is the division of diploid germ cells that reduce the chromosome numbers by half. Haploid daughter cells, which means they divide by the different processes, and then when a cell divides by the meiosis, it reproduces four type of new cells. They form four new cells instead of just two, because in the mitosis we have studied two cell formed, but in the meiosis there are four cell formed, and the new cells only have half number of chromosomes than that of the mother cell. It is called the haploid. Half number of chromosome is called haploid. Okay, and the double chromosomes are called the diploid. So children, these are the two phases of meiosis: meiosis first and meiosis second. In these Meiosis first, there are the same phases: prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first and telophase first. And meiosis second, prophase second, metaphase second, anaphase second and telophase second. For your knowledge, I will explain you the stages also. Okay, so thank you children. I hope this topic is clear to you. Children, today I am sharing you question answers, book exercise question answers of this chapter. So you should do these question answers in your notebook, biology notebook. Thank you children.